보면 되는 게 하나 대리 나성이 실로 이두지지 시다지니 다른 24지니 저랑 나서 먼저 카드를 페이버들랑 상대다시 돼요.
다시 봐.
아니 나성도 저랑 좋아하셔야 되나? 아니 저랑도 찾아봐이나? 아니 제가 먼저 제거는 아니 제지 아니 제가 먼저 제거는 상승 그러나 제가 먼저 제거 전에 합달을 더 그봐 아니 먼저 제거 뒤나로 아니 내가 제가 나기 아니 최대라면 로미 타방 그봐 아니 먼저 차상 다시 맞죠 와 라는 게 아니 대륙을 너무 지차대요 와 이 순간 말아서 제가 이 그러면 되게 제가 너무 쫓아지네요. 아니 드디어 저랑 가르기 냠이 열었잖아. 제가 먼저 제거기 최대로 아무도 너무 타던 냠이 차상이에요. 내가 나중에 나라도 제주기 금이 제주 중기 아니 최대로 아무 간이 이미 너무 타던 간이 되게 되고 냠이 차상지. 여봐 이 순간 아니 저랑 따다로 제가이나 제가 먼저 제거기 아니 최대로 아무 너무 타던 안에 따다나 아니 나라도 제주 중기에 최대로 아무도 너무 손에 안에 따다니나 말이 제거라고지 개통도
Yes, I've been born and brought up in India. We in school we studied the Indian Constitution, which mentions that religion is my birth freedom, and yes, human rights is also my birth freedom. But under the government of exile, recently I've come to know that religion is no more birth freedom. We've been given two choices of either worshipping His Holiness the Dalai Lama or the deity Dorji Shugden. The choice is left to us. Either we can worship any of the two deities, but if we choose the deity Dorji Shugden, we are treated as outcasts. Outcasts, we have, when I was small in school, we have learned long back that in India, outcast is treated as the worst punishment for a person that you can ever give. You can no longer speak to that person, you can no longer have any connection with that particular person. We are staying in India, but I don't understand why we don't follow Indian Constitution. This is Indian land that we are staying on. Which clearly mentions that religion is my birth freedom.
아니 이게 돈이 버셔야 되라 문제지 계속 줘라. 나도 거기 제가이나 니도 제로도 버지라니. 프랑스에 산거 봐. 아니 좀 겹치면서 해지 봐. 아니 나라도 나도 되지고 인연배 뒤집이 아니 부디 나가 아니 사주 거사지 집이 깝되나. 아니 비지 이 상국 레고 민데라 간다 디스게 받아도 프랑스 24 뭐 디가블라니 가라 루티나로라니 디지지 범미디기 거기 지 바체랑 디수 짜는 와 계셔지 고소데 문에도 정말
Yes, this is true. There were two reporters who came on behalf of France 24 to Ooty hearing about the religious religion taking away our religious freedom. They heard about that and they came down to Ooty to find out if it was true or not. So they went to the Tibetan Refugee Welfare Association office, which is next to the market, Tibetan market. They went there and the Tibetan Prime Minister, the minister in charge over there welcomed them, thinking that they were on behalf, they were supporting the Tibetan freedom, etc., etc. So once they came in the office and started asking questions, the questions were regarding all religion freedom and about us, and the difficulties that we are facing. So they came to know that they are on behalf of us, coming to ask our problems and what the actual situation is behind the religion's fight that we are fighting now. And then so they, after coming to know that, they clearly denied answering any questions. They said we don't have anything regarding to do with this. It's better you go to Dharamsala, which is the main head of the government in exile. It's better for you to go there and ask them questions instead of asking us questions. So talking about this, the market people, or everybody from the market came, the people sitting in the shops came out, and they started spitting on the reporters, and they started using foul languages on them. They were getting violent on them. They started. Somebody yelled out to pull the camera because they didn't want this recording, answering and question recording tape to go outside. Because yes, obviously it is a shameful thing. We as a refugee staying in India, we are supposed to be united together, fighting for one cause, which is basically freedom. Which is freedom, and that's the only first thing which comes in our mind. As a refugee, I also want to go back to my country. So our first thought in our mind is freedom, and that is being shuffled up in the name of religion, which is purely politics. So they do not want that tape to go out to the world and show our true colors, what is actually happening inside the Tibetan colony. So they are trying to pull the camera, trying to snatch it, trying to break it. And so these two foreigners, there's a police station next to the market. They had to run next to the police station for safety, and the police had to assist them all the way to Mysore. They were really frightened because of the violence the people urged in them.
That's what to channel. What is getting getting us on the motor color paper? To need our literature.